Racers. My name is Lauren, and as you can see behind me is our racing track. So, we're going to explain how we play the game and the rules in a very slow motion. So, good luck and may the best team win. Step number 1.
Each team has a cooler of balloons. You must take one and pass it down.
Step number 2.
You had better hope your teammates can catch without busting the balloons. The more people you have participating, the better.
Step number 3.
You need 20 balloons in your bucket in order to advance to the next round.
Step number 4.
Team captains are responsible for confirming that there are 20 unpopped balloons in their bucket before moving on.
Step number.
Your team then runs to the egg-filled pools where you will need to go through the eggs to find a silver key. Each pool contains one key. This is what the key looks like.
Step number 6.
Once you find the key, your team must run to the picnic tables to unlock your prize. But you better be quicker than that.
Step number 7.
Your whole team must be at the table with you in order to unlock the prize.
Step number 8. Celebrate!
What's that? We have some office ladies talking trash? Let's play it.
Sweetie pie, when you get an L for loser, it's all right. I'll still love you. L stands for loser and love, okay?
Listen here, you sales estimators and technician teams. We are taking you down.
Down.